life very, very early in his life. And while he was struggling, and he was in tremendous love with his wife, so when he was really struggling to cope up with himself, he used to go to places where he could live alone. In one of such trips, he went to Bareilly and he stayed with his friend. In one of those evenings, his friends invited him and he said, Harivansh, you should come because there are some guests. In those guests, there was Teji Bachchan. And during the evening, after everything finished, he narrated or he recited one poem. The poem was his thinking that in life you cannot do anything with the sentiments. And I recite that poem for you, which becomes the guiding force of my life. Because everybody used to come and give his sympathies or their sympathies to him. So he said, क्या करूं संवेदना लेकर तुम्हारी क्या करूं, क्या करूं संवेदना लेकर तुम्हारी क्या करूं, मैं दुखी जब जब हुआ संवेदना तुमने दिखाई, मैं कृतज्ञ हुआ हमेशा रीति दोनों ने निभाई, किंतु इस आभार का हो उठा है बोझ भारी, क्या करूं संवेदना लेकर तुम्हारी क्या करूं। एक भी उच्छ्वास मेरा हो सका किस दिन तुम्हारा, एक भी उच्छ्वास मेरा हो सका किस दिन तुम्हारा, उस नयन में बह सकी कब इस नयन की अश्रुधारा, सत्य को बांधे रहेगी शब्द की कब तक पिटारी, क्या करूं संवेदना लेकर तुम्हारी क्या करूं। So I could see that emotions or sympathy has no value. So I decided to myself and I wrote a sentence in 1981 or 82. Emotions or sentiments without commitments are like words without meaning. And I decided that every sentiment or emotion which I have, it has to be backed by commitment. And I'm very happy to say that all these three learnings which I had came during my stay in Roorkee, and they still are the guiding force or the guiding principles of my life. So I can never ever thank Roorkee enough, and I must say that I dedicate to whatever I do or my existence to Roorkee. Thank you very much.
Well, after this felicitation, uh, I I would like to say the seventh alumni who got the award was the youngest one, who graduated in 1989 from Electronics Department, Dr. Amit Singhal. You can see his picture in the center. Dr. Amit Singhal unfortunately had some commitments and could not come from USA. He is the one, if you, any one of you, I think all of us are using Google, and he is the one who rewrote the search engine of Google. So he's a very, very eminent alumni. We will be giving this honor to him in absentia. Before I hand it over to Professor Simvar for carrying the proceedings further, I wish to make a short announcement. We have here Shri V.K. Gupta from USA. Can Shri V.K. Gupta stand, please? Shri V.K. Gupta has interest in creating an endowment at IIT Roorkee, and he has given a seed money of rupees 1.25 lakhs to me today. Thank you.
As was indicated by Professor S.P. Gupta earlier, we are now going to have the inauguration of the web portal SAR, Student Alumni Association of Roorkee. This portal has been developed as an initiative of Prama Jyoti Foundation. I now request Mr. Ravi Sharma, once again, founder of this foundation, to kindly present the theme of the foundation, which will be followed by the inauguration of the web portal. Thank you.
Thank you once again. While I was talking about initiative of Pramajyoti, I found that all the alumni of Roorkee are very strongly connected to Salman. However, I felt that it is not so strongly connected when it comes to with the students. And the students need all the help which we can do. So we thought, can we create something, a digital platform, to make it easier for the community to not only to interact itself, but to contribute positively and constructively for the growth, betterment, and excellence of Roorkee and its present students. It is to connect student with alumni and industry. It is to connect faculty with alumni and industry. And it is to connect alumni with students and faculty. We thought, can we create something like that, which can become the Facebook and LinkedIn for all the people who graduate from Roorkee. It has several features, and I'm going to invite after some time the person and the team which did it. But I'm very proud to say that this whole initiative has been executed by current students here who are numbering 30. I'm also proud to say that they have exceeded all my expectations in not only conceiving it, designing it, implementing it, and it is their hard work of 6 months which we are going to inaugurate today, and I would certainly like that all of you should join it. Before I call those people, I will tell you the thought process behind the whole thing, and the whole thing came from the last thing which I read about Harvansh Rai Bachchan's poem. Like our senior alumni, I had written a poem for Roorkee that defines as to what is it which is in our heart and how should we translate it. आंखों में बिखरी हैं रुड़की की यादें, आंखों में बिखरी हैं रुड़की की यादें, यादों में बिखरी हैं सालों की बातें। आंखों में बिखरी हैं रुड़की की यादें, यादों में बिखरी हैं सालों की बातें, बातों में जवानी के हजारों वो पल, बातों में जवानी के हजारों वो पल, लगता है सारे थे बीते अभी कल। कुछ बनने की बाजी लगाई थी हमने, कुछ सपनों की दुनिया सजाई थी हमने, सपनों की बातों को अब मैंने किया है, रोटी के वादों को सच मैंने किया है। पर आज इस मुकाम पर सोचा है रुक के मैंने, पर आज इस मुकाम पर सोचा है रुक के मैंने, किया क्या है वापस रुड़की को मुड़ के मैंने। रुड़की के लिए बहुत कुछ अभी मैंने नहीं किया है, रुड़की के लिए बहुत कुछ अभी मैंने नहीं किया है, मशरूफ था मैं खुद में, बहुत मैंने नहीं दिया है। पर आज हूं मैं जागा तो सोचता हूं निरंतर, पाया जो मैंने आज तक रुड़की की है बदौलत, पाया जो मैंने आज तक रुड़की की है बदौलत, घर बना में सरमाया रुड़की की है बदौलत। था नहीं मैं ये भूला पर खोया जरूर था, था नहीं मैं ये भूला पर खोया जरूर था, लगता है फर्ज भूल के मैं सोया जरूर था। पर आज हूं मैं जागा तो सोचता हूं निरंतर, नहीं अब रखूंगा सोच और करनी में अंतर, देना है मुझको वापस वजूद का एक हिस्सा, बनाएगा नई नस्ल का प्यारा वो एक किस्सा। औसात तो बात हमारे कुछ और सुहानी होगी, औसात तो बात हमारे कुछ और सुहानी होगी, बच्चों की आजकल के हिम्मत बढ़ानी होगी। नया दौर हमारी बातों को कुछ और दोहराएगा, आईआईटी रुड़की का झंडा और ऊंचा लहराएगा। उठो उठो अब हमें फिर सब साथ है बदलना, शिक्षक और शिक्षार्थी सबको ले साथ चलना, बनाना है समा ऐसा ना रोक सके कोई भी, रुड़की के बांकुरों को ना टोक सके कोई भी। हम दिल पे रख के आज कसम है उठाते, बातों से नहीं बात, कुछ करके हैं दिखाते, लेके साथ अब दिलों का नया जोश और जवानी। आओ बनाएं आज हम रुड़की की नई कहानी। आओ बनाएं आज हम रुड़की की नई कहानी। आओ बनाएं आज हम रुड़की की नई कहानी। So idea is, if we can do something to match with our emotions and sentiments, I would first like director and our guest of honor to inaugurate the portal, and after that I would like to invite my team, and I would suggest if all of them can come here. The team which is present, it is my fellow alumni Sanjay Nagi, Atul Gangwar, my friends from Roorkee, and Mrs. Anusuya Banerjee, Alka Talwar, and Brad Mohanty and Chanda Mishra are not here, and there are 6 or 7 of the students who are here. Utsav, Piyush, Tushar, Gaurav, Siddharth, Shravan, Abhishek, Nabil, Omkar. I want and request all of them to be there when it is getting inaugurated. I would thank you, sir. Thank you, Professor Banerjee, Mr. Verma, Mr. Buddhiraja, for inaugurating and launching this portal. And I would request all of you to have a look at it and please register yourself. There are various features for constructive contribution by alumni to alma mater. And I now request the leader of this student team, who has been leading this effort of 30 students, Utsav, to come here and brief within few minutes the features on this portal. Utsav Marwa.
I'm Utsav Marwa, currently in 4th year, chemical engineering. I'll start by taking you back to 1857, when Roorkee was actually producing engineers, while apprenticeship was still prevalent back in England. I'll take you then to 1898, when within 6 months of the discovery of X-rays, we were actually researching on those topics in our labs at Roorkee. Then to 1901, where the Nobel laureate Lord Ramsay paid a visit here. Then to days where the leading poetess used to write for the glory of the institute. To days where every Prime Minister and President of India used to regularly visit the institute. And with this day, when we've actually fallen back a little bit. We've fallen back, there's no doubt. But then this is the time for change. As students here, we want to call upon the entire alumni community to help us in bringing glory again to this institution. As such, as a solution, we've actually formed a portal with the help of Pramajyoti Foundation. And the features include not only simple connection and networking, but also an opportunity for the entire alumni community to sponsor projects, to mentor, to directly connect with their alma mater. So if you're an alumni, for you to come back and give something to your alma mater, it's actually just a few clicks away now. So once you register on that website, you have projects, you have students, you can even form student teams to effect the change that you want to see on campus. Also, few of our teammates have been writing about Roorkee and want to connect with you, so that you are informed, you are kept informed of every update that happens in Roorkee via the World Wide Web. So all of that has been worked upon, and you can actually go and see the entire writing session at syahi.sar.org.in. Meanwhile, as I started with reflecting upon the heritage of the institution, I would also go on and say that we've tried, as a student body, we've tried to again compile the entire history of IIT Roorkee, right from 1857 to this day. What we've done is that we've created a wiki, wherein each one of you can actually come in and write what you know about Roorkee. We've done our best. We've actually referred books, researched the archives, and put together some photographs and stuff. But we would like to invite you to write your own stuff and come on the portal, share the history of IIT Roorkee, so that the next generation of Roorkee boys know what legacy that they have. As a Roorkee boy, I'm sure as you might share the sentiment, we don't like to be second. We don't like to be second at any time. So I think we should change the pattern and start affecting change again. Be the leaders again in India. Therefore, I'll end by this. I'll call upon each and every alumni to come over the portal and start connecting. Let's exchange energies, ideas, and affect change in IIT Roorkee. Thanks a lot.
Well, few years ago, an alumnus of this institute wrote to us that he has found a book on University of Roorkee, which was originally Roorkee College and then Thompson College of Engineering. This book original is available in the University Library of Berkeley, and he wrote to me. I was the Dean of Alumni Affairs then, and he said, Harsh, I would like to send a copy, a soft copy of that book to you. So I circulated it among my friends. Today, I'm really very happy that another alumnus, Mr. Ashok Kumar Saroha, who is Commissioner Income Tax in Haryana, has actually got the book reprinted and has brought copies of that book for distribution. And I request Mr. Saroha to come and present the reprinted copy of that book to the director and the distinguished guests at the dais. True to his professional career, he said, do you know this has got the accounts of Roorkee of the year 1857. So I said, once an engineer, always an engineer, once an IRS, always an IRS. Thank you very much.
Dr. Banerjee, Mr. Wobber, Mr. Buddhi Raja, Sinwal, and they said go back to Vedas. I mean, I have heard history of the Roorkee, I have read also. I'm not saying that I have done extensive research. Some SAR is also doing that. But my always endeavor was, let's go to the basic. This publication of 1851, I'm sorry to correct you, 1857.